Hello everyone, today I'm going to review this Scream Factory release of Tobe Hooper's The Funhouse. Now, for those of you who have seen this film, you may remember the atmosphere that permeated throughout. Of all the things about this movie that warrant a watch, it is clearly the level of detail that was taken by Tobe Hooper and the film's producers to create a world that is truly haunting, macabre, and disturbing. As someone who has always been sort of fascinated by the carnival culture, people traveling all over the country, setting up these carnivals for a few days and then going to the next town, I've always found that in and of itself to be an interesting idea for a film. And of course, Tobe Hooper directs this movie that essentially takes it a step further by imagining two couples in their late teens, early 20s who opt to go to the local carnival and decide after hanging out for a little while that they want to get on the Funhouse ride and then sneak off the little car and hide and stay inside the Funhouse overnight and get stoned, have sex, whatever. And obviously things go horribly wrong. The movie itself is a slow burn. It doesn't have any, incredible set pieces or moments where you feel as though, it's just one thing after another. I think what really sells this film is its authentic atmosphere. The gentleman who plays the carnival barker also plays a couple of other characters in the film. I just think they really nailed the atmosphere, lending the film a real sense of authenticity that I have yet to see in any other movie of its kind. I think the closest thing I could compare it to in terms of feeling authentic in this world is HBO's Carnival series, which I'm a big fan of, even though of course it was canceled abruptly only after I believe 2 seasons. But in any case, this movie I really think is worth a watch or a rewatch if it's been a while since you've seen it. And of course Scream Factory stuffs it full of interesting supplemental materials and does a good job with the transfer. I wouldn't say this is like a mind-blowing transfer of the film. I believe this release has been out for a few years, but it's good, and it's certainly better than anything else, any other format that you're going to see it on. So I think all things being equal, this is probably the best the film is going to look, unless somebody goes back to the original camera negative and does a 4K Blu-ray release. So I would just like to conclude by saying that I would consider this a top 50 horror film. It's absolutely worth a watch, and given that we're in the spooky season, give it a go. Take care, stay safe, and until the next time, bye.